Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change how fast your iPhone screen turn off. So there's a feature called screen timeout on your iPhone, and this decide how often or how fast your iPhone screen turn off. This can make your iPhone screen not to turn off at all, and it can make your iPhone screen to turn off after just 15 seconds. So in this video I'll show you how to change this from happening so that your iPhone screen will not turn off immediately after you drop it. Now to do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness, then scroll down and click on auto lock. Then under auto lock, you can see there are a few features available here. The first one is 30 seconds. If you choose your iPhone auto lock to 30 seconds, your iPhone screen will go up after 30 seconds. And if you set 1 minute, the iPhone screen will go off after 1 minute. Now to change how fast your iPhone screen lock or go up, all you need to do is just come here and make sure you select something between 3 minutes and 5 minutes. And if you don't want your iPhone screen to turn off at all, just click on never. So your iPhone screen will only turn off when you press the side button. So without that, if you choose 5 minutes, 1 minute, or any of these minutes, your iPhone screen will be active for this number of minutes, and after then the iPhone screen will go off. So this is how you can easily change how fast your iPhone screen turn off. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.